In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple correct answers in Google Forms. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you can follow along smoothly, even if you're new to Google Forms. Let's get started by heading over to Google Drive. You can easily find it by typing Google Drive in your browser search bar and clicking the link that appears. Once you are in Google Drive, look towards the top left corner of the screen and click on the New button. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options, and here you'll want to select Google Forms, which will open a new form in a new tab. Once the Google Form interface is open, you'll see options to choose different templates. For our purpose today, we'll click on Blank Form to start from scratch. This gives us a clean slate to set up our custom quiz. Now, it's important to give your form a name to keep things organized, especially if you plan on creating multiple forms or need to refer back to it later. Simply click where it says Untitled Form and type in your desired name. Next, we need to adjust the settings to accommodate multiple correct answers. Start by clicking on the Settings gear icon located at the top of the form. This opens up a range of customization options. Make sure to toggle the option that says Make this a quiz. This is crucial as it allows you to designate correct answers later on. Once you have enabled quiz mode, return to the Questions tab to continue setting up your form. Now let's focus on entering your question. Click on the field that says Untitled Question and type in your question. After that, you need to choose the correct type of response. For multiple correct answers, we'll select Short Answer from the list of question types. This choice allows for flexibility in input, accommodating various correct answers users might supply. With the question in place, it's time to set the correct answers. Click on Answer key below your question. This is where you'll input the correct answers. You can enter more than one answer here. Simply type each correct answer in the designated field. After entering the possible correct answers, ensure you check the option that says Mark all other answers incorrect. This step ensures that only the responses you've specified are recognized as correct. Lastly, assign points to the question by entering a value in the provided field, granting it the weight you deem appropriate. Once all the settings are in place, click Done to save your work. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a Google form with multiple correct answers. Now you're ready to share your quiz with respondents. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.